Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 7-inch special head unit for Mercedes-Benz W211. Okay, you can check this UI. The file settings. You can check the system. Rack chip, CPU rack chip PX5, and version is 8.0. Okay. And it supports dual screen. You can open the music, find the right path. And built-in Google Maps. You can run at the same time, support dual split screen. Long press, it will show the split model. Okay, you can run the listening music and Google Maps at the same time. Other support applications, but some applications doesn't support it. Okay. Okay, you can change the buttons. You can change your wallpaper. Car element, you can set the gray, blue, red. You can change any color buttons. Okay. It's built decoder is built in the CAN bus. CAN bus will decode your steering wheel control keys for Mercedes-Benz. Okay. It's built in the Google Play Store. You can download the applications. And Bluetooth. We already tested the Bluetooth. You can delete this pin number. This is my Galaxy S8. You can open the Bluetooth at first. Open the Bluetooth and pair it. It will show the Galaxy S8. You can pair it. You will get the pin. Pin number is 40. Put the 40 and click OK. It will paired device. Color already changed. You can make a phone call. There are no sound because special for head units. Okay. It supports A2DP. You can listen music from your phone. Okay. It is supported already built-in easy connection application for mirror. It supports Android USB and Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay. You can check the OEM. It's already built in the DAB and wallpaper ODB2 application. You can install it. Okay. Let me show the music. You can choose the right path. You can change this custom inverse rock pop. Volume control. Okay. Video. It supports 4K video. It shows 4K Samsung Diamond. Okay, please remove the two screw. This two screw, you need to remove it because it fixes the DVD driver in shippings. When you receive it, please remove these two screw. Okay, you can check the back of head unit. This GPS, Wi-Fi, radio antenna, and this special for Mercedes-Benz USB. Okay. It comes with the GPS antenna. And AV cable is Wi-Fi antenna, and it's test steering wheel control and cable, microphone, USB cable, and this is special for the Mercedes-Benz plug cable, special for Mercedes-Benz W211. It's plug. Okay, thank you. It will plug and play when you receive head units.